Hi guys, today I'm back with some more UV resin craft using this bag that I've been using the last few weeks. I've got these beautiful little birds. This bird charm here. There's a few different sets of the birds in this little pack in different colors. So I've got the gold ones there. So I've laid them down on some UV tape, just stuck them down. And now I'm going to fill them up with some UV resin, which I have coloured with just a dark purple glitter. Okay, I'm just going to grab my UV lamp now and put these under for 2 minutes this side, and then while they're still stuck to the tape, I'm going to flip them over and do a 2 minutes on the other side. Okay, so they've had 2 minutes each side. Time to carefully peel these off. So that is what they've turned out like. They are just super sparkly, super nice. Now I'm just going to grab some hooks and I'll show you the finished product. And there you have it, guys. I've just added some hooks and they're ready to wear. Aren't they sparkly? Aren't they beautiful? And so quick and easy. We'll totally give this craft a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.